Use summary blocks to display content from certain collection pages, such as blog posts or products, in a variety of layouts. Before adding the block, add content to a supported collection page. To add a summary block, first click Edit on a page or post. Add block, then Summary. To open the block editor, click the pencil icon. Choose what content displays in the Content tab, and change the layout in the Design tab. Remember to click Save. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.